Hey everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate how to download DaVinci Resolve. As you can see here, I have already downloaded DaVinci Resolve, but in order to explain it more briefly, I will first delete this app. Okay, let me first delete it. And now, in order to download the app, first we'll go in the App Store. Here on the search bar, we will type DaVinci. Okay, and the first option here, it displays is DaVinci Resolve. Click on that. And here, it shows DaVinci Resolve for iPad. Since I have downloaded the DaVinci Resolve for iPad before, it is showing this icon with the cloud and the arrow mark. If you are downloading it for the first time, you will get a get option here, like this. Here in the InShot Video Editor option, you can see the get button here. Okay, so you click on that and then the application will download. But for now, we are downloading here the DaVinci Resolve for iPad, so let me click on this. And the application started to download. It will take some time depending on your internet connection, so wait for that. You might click on this. Here it shows 7 minutes and 41 seconds and moving on.